rock on. So these are a Brazilian grey-green slate, bang average, used quite widely down in the southwest here. Averagely priced, nice to lay. They're all pretty straight. The only problem is when you're doing the cuts, you have to use a grinder because you can't get a beveled edge on them. You can, but they tend to shatter and you end up going through more slate than you'd like to. So I just get the angle grinder out on it, and that's how I do it. If you've got any other recommendations of how to cut it, I've got a guillotine, that don't work. I've got slate cutters, that don't work. Let's get it. Would usually have the radio blasting, but for copyright reasons we'll have it off.